Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Lewa and this is my first skincare video. Hey! So today I am reviewing skincare products by Aralewa. I am reviewing Aralewa's Black Silk African Black Soap, the Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, their Coconut Milk Citrus Soap, and their Moisturizing Cream. So if you'd like to know how I use these products to keep my skin looking radiant, keep watching. Aralewa's Black Silk African Black Soap contains turmeric, papaya, and lemon, kiwi, cucumber, and helichrysum, and these are guaranteed to help improve the skin. Okay, so it makes the skin look brighter, gives it a nice natural glow, keeps it looking youthful. Okay, it tones the skin, and it's especially helpful for those who suffer from hyperpigmentation and acne prone skin. So if you have oily skin like mine, yes, you would definitely appreciate this product. So yes, you can use this on your face and on your body, but I like to use this on my face because it's not a cheap product, guys. So I use this just on my face, and so I wet my face, I apply it, rinse it. It has some particles that help to exfoliate the skin, which is great. So after washing my face with this product, my skin feels very smooth. It also feels very clean because it removes the excess oils. Like I said, I have an oily skin. If you have ever used African black soap, you know it tends to dry the skin out. So the kiwi and cucumber carrier oils in this product help to prevent dryness. However, I still advise you to use, maybe a toner and a skin moisturizer after using this product, so that it restores the pH balance of your skin. And eventually, even though this product is not drying, if you leave it for a long time, eventually your skin will feel dry, but you will have a nice clean feeling. It will feel smooth, and if you follow up with a moisturizer, you should be fine. After cleansing my skin with Aralewa's Black Silk African Black Soap, I followed up with their Pumpkin Enzyme Mask, which contains papaya and green tea. Now this product I thoroughly enjoy using right from the application to the final results. It has a very light texture and feel on the skin. It helps to brighten, not bleach, but brighten the skin, makes it feel smooth. It makes your skin look more alive, removes dullness, and it's fantastic for aged skin as well. So if you have acne prone skin, this may be helpful as well, because the pumpkins contained in this product have anti-inflammatory properties, as well as the green tea present in this product. So this product also helps to block off the effects of ultraviolet UV exposure, and it helps to repair the effects of sun damage on the skin. It exfoliates the skin as well and leaves it looking fresh. So I left this mask on my face for 15 minutes and then 15 to 20 minutes before wiping off with a cotton pad, and then I washed with the African black soap. And you can use this at least once or twice a week. This is not a heavy product, so it will not clog your pores, and I really enjoy using this product. Next, I used Aralewa's Coconut Milk Citrus Soap. This body soap has a fresh citrus scent and it's non-drying. So every time I use the soap, I feel like I have just had a luxury spa session in my bathroom, okay? Its aroma is a blend of lemongrass, mandarin, and orange essential oils. It also contains honey, oats, coconut milk, coconut oil, shea butter. So it's fantastic for all skin types, and there are no chemicals in this product. You will enjoy using this product, hopefully just as I have. Lastly, I used Aralewa's Moisturizing Body Cream with coconut oil and oats. It also contains shea butter, aloe vera, and lavender oil, so it has a lavender scent. This cream leaves the skin feeling soft looking, smooth and radiant. It also brightens dull looking skin, okay? It doesn't bleach, it just gives a natural glow. The oats provide anti-inflammatory properties to this cream, and the coconut oil helps to fade spots on the skin. This cream also contains shea butter, which soothes itchy and inflamed skin. It's a non-greasy cream. Personally, I found it too light for my very dry skin, so I like to pair this with heavier butters like shea butter, and it actually lasts all day when I use it with shea butter. But if you have oily skin, or if your skin is not as dry as mine, then I believe you would love this product. That's it for this video. Please remember to check out Aralewa's page on Instagram and start placing your orders. Also subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye.